Energy-efficient windows in Fountain, Colorado face some of the most demanding conditions in the country. Colorado's extreme temperature swings, intense UV exposure, and seasonal storms put tremendous stress on traditional windows. That's why choosing the right El Paso County, Colorado windows and professional installation is absolutely critical for your home's comfort and value. At Peakview Windows, Siding, and Stucco, we understand what works in our challenging climate. We're a veteran-owned company that brings military-grade precision to every installation. Most of the windows we install are either Anlin vinyl windows or Pella fiberglass windows. Both are specifically engineered to handle Colorado's high-altitude conditions and extreme weather variations. Modern energy-efficient windows aren't just about keeping your home comfortable. They're sophisticated systems with multiple layers of protection, specialized low-E coatings, and advanced gas fills between panes. These features create thermal barriers that can reduce your heating and cooling costs by 15 to 25%, while protecting your furniture from harmful UV rays. The investment pays off immediately and over the long term. You'll notice more consistent indoor temperatures right after installation. Your utility bills will drop significantly. And when it's time to sell, energy-efficient windows typically deliver a 70 to 80% return on investment and help your home sell faster in today's market. Our installation process reflects our military background. We follow manufacturer specifications exactly, use premium sealing materials, and conduct thorough quality inspections at every stage. We never rush an installation or cut corners. Each window receives meticulous attention from proper flashing to final cleanup. The windows we install today will continue delivering comfort, savings, and value for decades. They'll protect your family from Colorado's extreme weather while reducing your environmental footprint. Don't let another season pass with inefficient windows in Fountain, Colorado. Contact Peakview Windows, Siding, and Stucco today to schedule your free consultation and discover how we can transform your home's performance.